Good afternoon, everyone. We, the GBA San Francisco Scholars, would like to take a moment to express our gratitude for the lessons being shared in this general virtual assistance course. As someone who is new to the field of virtual assistance, we have found these lessons to be invaluable in helping us to develop the skills and knowledge that we need to succeed. The lessons we learn will be the key to achieving a better work-life balance. These lessons have provided us with the tools and knowledge that we need to effectively manage our time and responsibilities, allowing us to achieve a healthy balance between our professional and personal lives. By applying these lessons in our day-to-day work, we can ensure that we are able to give our best to both our careers and our personal lives, leading to a more fulfilling and satisfying overall experience. We truly enjoyed and learned a lot during the face-to-face training period. The interactive nature of each of the material skills being shared, we will be able to succeed in our career as a virtual assistant and make a positive impact in the lives of those we will serve.
Basig natin nagbilang ulit.
Sa atong licensing nga naanay libutan. Kay sa karon, everything is going digital. O kanang manalibay ta kay ang San Francisco wala na ulahi sa going digital. Now, atong sa atong licensing nga naanay
UKs, taga-UK and US. So soon, kaning 21 nga na diriha, basin call for Digital Job PH, Ms. Maria Rochella V. Miranda. A round of applause, please. So allow me first to read the citation. So, certificate of attendance. So this is to certify that Ms. Angeli B. Alfred, General Virtual Assistant Course, from
Uy, ako ng video
January 6, 2023,
Ate, video.
total of 9. Mr. Valentin Lobo. Josie D. Fronteras. Ayun si Sir. To be followed by Miss Janice Luis Panganiban. Next, we also have Mr. Jonan D. Fronteras.
Wala.
Sir Jonan, is here. Wala. So, we have another certificate. So, certificate of participation. So, allow me first to read the citation. So, this is to certify that Ms. Jacqueline S. Casillo participated in the Digital Jobs PH Technical Training General Virtual Assistance Course on the 9th day of January 2023 at the FYTC Municipal Gymnasium, Barangay Dos, San Francisco Agusan del Sur. Signed by our Regional Director, Director Mario P. Tanyano. Next, we also have Miss Lea Marie P. Del Museo. We also have Miss Eliza Jean Villanueva. And now we will be awarding the certificate of completion. So this certificate of completion is to those who completed all the tasks. Alright? So this is to certify that Miss Mary Angie Apsay successfully completed all the necessary requirements needed for the general virtual assistance course from October 21, 2022 to January 6, 2023. Given this 9th day of January 2023 at the FYDC Municipal Gymnasium, Barangay Dos, San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. Signed by our Regional Director, Director Mario P. Tanyano. We also have another completer, Miss Grisel Jean Cantero. These are our top 3. So, another completion is also given to Miss Armil Joy Olario, and she is also a medalist. So when we say medalist, they are the ones who contributed the 60,000 plus income generated during the training. So palakpakan natin sila ng gabi katugihan. And next, we also have Sir Jesse Maputi. Again, sila ang nakakontribute ng sales during the training period nato. So first, we have Miss Sharon Gia.
Yay! Clap, clap, clap.
Ayun. So next, we also have Miss Lyrus Alexa Estendo, also a medalist.
Sige lang. Ba, tinaway?
We also have another medalist and completer as well, Miss Marilyn Sila.
Diba?
And last but not the least, we also have Miss Kimberly Kate M. Arsenal.
Ay, kami wala kang kaning linggo nila. Kapitalis pa yan.
So we will also be giving tokens as well from Digital Jobs PD.
During the training, yung ako'y counterparts mayor. Si admin
Regional Director, Sir Mario Pindado, Sir, good afternoon. To our Technical Operation Division Chief, Sir Adrian Lawrence Salam. For all the residential delegates, dinala na po isa-isa po, mayroong hapon sa ating tanan. My fellow graduates, good afternoon. I can imagine myself right now standing here and giving message to you. Because in my experience, when I was elementary, I am just honorable lang. So
lingkod ako. When I was in high school naman, wala ko ito kayo. Grabe ako competition, so kadapit ang lola. Pagdating ako sa college, I was graduated. Wala ko pakasok kay ang akong bayan sa school, wala ka bayan. But now I was graduated here, hata ko dito speech. So, mixed emotion na ako na feel right now. Tawag ko Sir Jay, nag-message ko sa mga ko. Kaya lang, sorry. But before that, I just changed really siya sa'yo. It's not easy for me, right? I am a public servant, diba? So, managing my time, nagamit ko siya, managing time, using time wisely. Wisely kayo. Pag nagsa sa face-to-face, sibat nilang mind. Tapos, padayon ako, balik kadali, sibat gamay, kaya naman ko tayo, yatipan. Ang journey na ko, hindi na ko siya ma-explain kung isa siya kalisod or isa siya ka-sideway. And I think you can say mo na feel, especially kung mga middle-less. Kaya ako nung nalila, wala yung middle-less, nag-struggle dito. Nag-struggle dito kahit sa face-to-face, hindi mo dito pa, whole day. Tapos during the campaign, 21 days campaign, ikaw naman isa sa inyong alay. Magpadayon sa mga task na, which is although na ako'y gamay ni kahibalo, pero it's not enough na makutay na ng mga task, diba? Munang struggle is real para sa ito ang alay. But then, it's worth it. The training really helps me a lot. A lot siya. Kay dati-rati, I'm dreaming to be an OFW, online freelance worker. Nag-ano ko ng world concession ako niya siya during pandemic, gusto ko makapag-job. I paid the course, 5,000 pagano ako bayad, 1 month ko siya, but then, wala din siya nagawin kay every day, 1 hour lang akong in-up ba, tapos din siya na akong ma-afford. Tapos, sa karon ko do, I was not able to have the kaya. But then, ang akong na-learn, ang akong naagian sa training, how I done my task, I'm proud to say na ako ang nagbuhat, ako nag-good isa, so, kailangan dyan siya ako ang nag-good isa, diba? Nanigamot dyan kay, maulog ko ito ng itada sa inyo. So, hindi siya, as ang struggle siya, I'm proud to say I am a general virtual assistant and the product of VICT. Diba, ang akong learnings will be my welcome to Facebook at clients kasi sa pailan ko na sa akin. So, pamugera na kayo ng lola. So, hindi tanan na select sa akong alba. Kadaghan sa applicants, but we are the one who are chosen. And we are so blessed for all of that. We are entering and the people behind us helping us to open up the new world for us. Life-changing opportunity na makasunod ta sa digital world. Di ba kayo, naman tayo mga magamit kung sa ating dapat buhaton para ma-handle lang ang ating mga clients. But behind this, dili ta maabot diri without the help of the people. To our mayor, thank you so much, LGU family. In behalf of General Virtual Assistant, Batch November, we would like to express our gratitude for unending support and help for all of us. For the whole process, you've been there from launching until now sa graduation, maadyo ka sa mga nagsuporta. Sa among face-to-face training, dili lang ang among utok ang nagsobat na ang among liyan. Doble gabso, kay unlimited learning sa unlimited foods yun. Di ba tama? Yes! To the staff, ako kayo mga salamat. We really appreciate your help na isang sa naging instrument to help people. Not just to improve ourselves, but to improve our living. Please continue being a blessing to everyone. We are so blessed. And to my fellow graduates, I know what we've been through. Wala lang naman ako mag-client, but stronger, we will. So wala. Kamo, sana pa, more clients pa. Fight lang na, always remember, because I came to this realization na it's not too old for us to have a new goal in life or new dream in life. Because akong age, 30s, kung mga-apply ka doon na page 2, di ba? Requirements. So, sa kuha din na siya. Na-realize na ako na if you want to dream something and you want to get that dream, you need to have that quality of C. What's that C? The confidence, the courage, the common sense, the creativeness. Gamitin natin na siya as mga driver assistants. And the commitment. To commit yourself for whatever you want to do. So fighting lang. That's all that. Good afternoon.
Social media marketing. We also have the graphics design. So, kung sa graphics design and video editing, so pwede pong na apply soon. Okay, so, and then, since you already have records somewhat, you have performed well in this training, so ma-prioritize pag yun muna mo, and that's the good thing. So, kung inyo to, upskill. Sige, ito na may ring. Ayun, so thank you so much, guys. So now let's hear another testimonial, and I think this will be the last one. No? So let's hear another message from Ma'am Kimberly Arsenal. A big round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. So prepare it for the notes compared to normally confident. Before anything else, I would like to thank everyone who are responsible and who facilitated this program. I would like to thank Sir Vince and also Mayor Eli Paredes Bravo. Mayor, thank you tayo sa opportunity na nagkatag mo, and also to the Regional Director, Dr. Mario Cunyado, and thank you, sir. And also to the Technical Operations Division Chief, Engineer Lawrence Sala. Thank you, sir. So, nakunti kayo mong pasalamat in behalf of the trainees na we were able to participate in this program. And I would like to introduce myself. I'm Kimberly Kate Arsenal, one of the lucky resident of San Francisco at San del Sur who was able to participate in this wonderful program. Thank you kaayo sa inyong tanan, and to everyone who organized and facilitated. Thank you kaayo. So that dinidyo na po ko lang ang gratitude or gratefulness sa kanina program. Because with this program, we were able to enhance our skills. And labi na sa ako, I remembered on our first day of training, we were asked by our coach what are your limiting beliefs? So at that point, naka-wonder ko, what are my limiting beliefs? Labi na sa online job, daghan kaayo ang nagpalimit sa ako. I know na hindi lang ako, but there are a lot of people who wants to work online, pero na-adjud ang mga limiting beliefs. Labi na sa ako, at that point, nakaingon dyan ko, I lack self-confidence. Labi na kung grabe dyan ako. Yeah, I have that lack of confidence. I can say na makabanuman ko, pero I have that doubts na basic. Dili na ko na-provide ang mga needs or ang mga gusto pagbuhat sa clients. But I was so thankful and grateful for the well-organized, well-planned materials provided during the training. The materials given were well-structured, good tayo siya, and efficient in terms of structure, time frame, and contents. No, there are a lot of trainings available online, with a 12-day face-to-face training. Kayon din po blessed tayo yung mga San Franciscoano na kanina training is buhat or organized sa LGU. For us, mga people din sa community is matagaan to opportunity, and I'm so grateful for that. And I'm so grateful and honored na as I graduate this program, I was able to get a client, and I was really happy. And I keep on chatting my coach na kaya ba nila ako, because I know I was equipped and I was taught of all the wonderful contents during the program. And yes, I can say that I was able to assist my client, and also naka-earn akong dollar. So I was so happy. Thank you, and I was so happy for this opportunity. And so yes, I know for my co-trainees na time will come if we exercise and we keep on doing the teachings sa one coach during the training, will be able to have our clients in the future. And also my dream and wish na this program will still continue. Napa siya yung next batch, but as mentioned by our mayor and officer, Dr. Cunyado, mag-continue pa rin siya nga program, and there are lots of program pa nga i-offer nila. And I'm so happy na, again, I'm one of the Franciscuhanon na kakuha ang opportunity. And once again, thank you and good afternoon.
Ato mga graduates, so tanan sa atong DICT team, si Gra, si Glenn, si Jai, sa tanan maayong bulutag.